click on Sign Up Free. When you click on Sign Up Free, Educreations is going to ask you, are you a student or a teacher? If you're a student in a class, your teacher will provide you with the class code and then you can join the Educreations teacher account. If you're a teacher, click on Teacher Sign Up. You could leave notify me about new features. It's up to you whether or not you want the emails. If you don't like it, just deselect it and then click Sign Up. Once you're signed up, you can enter the school's name. You could start typing Sir John A. Macdonald, and you'll notice that Sir John A. Macdonald already has accounts made. In fact, there's a couple of them. So if we click on this one, Senior Public, that's the same school as us. And you can identify a course name that you're interested in. It could be any course that you're working with. If it was a Class 8H, subject areas you're focusing on could be science. Privacy, you can make it visible to all in your school. You'd have to give them access to it, or you can make it visible to the students. So it's up to you. You can control your privacy here. Now subjects, you can clearly state which subject in science you're focusing on and give a brief description of what it is you're going to be sharing. Once you've done that, then you click Create. So now we've got a group. And you'll notice up here on the left, the group is called 8H, and it's a science group. How do you start making your own lessons? Well, you can click on Add an existing lesson if you already have one, and add that lesson directly into this group. Or you can click Create a new lesson. Right now I'm working on the computer, but you can do the same thing on the iPad. So when you click Create a new lesson, this screen pops up. It's the same screen you would see on your iPad. And away you go. You have different color icons in the top left hand corner. That means you can change the color of the stylus that you're going to write with. If you don't like what you've written, use the back arrow key to delete it. How do you start recording? Click Record on the top right hand corner. Once you click Record, it's going to start recording your voice too. So try and have an idea of what you want to say before you start. And whenever you're not sure about where you want to go, just push pause, collect your thoughts, and then push record again. And it'll pick up from where you left off. Be advised, don't leave it on pause for more than 5 minutes or you're going to have to refresh and start over. I've learned from experience. Now on the bottom there's a button down here. It looks like a picture. So if you click on Picture, it's going to access your folders on your computer. And if I click on Pictures in my folders, I should be able to call up a picture and bring it right in and open it directly into my Educreations presentation that I'm creating. So this could be a worksheet, or it could be an interactive activity for the students that you wanted to explain for them, either in advance or before they have to do it in class. So you can drag the image around. Now with the iPad, you'll be able to shrink the size of the picture too. I don't have the feature on this device per se, but I know the iPad allows you to pinch and expand the picture to make it bigger or smaller. Once you click off the picture, you'll have the ability to draw on it. So you can highlight and focus specific images. So if you're working with your iPad, I recommend that you use a stylus. It's easier to write with or to draw. But the first thing you have to do is push record. Start recording your work, and the sky's the limit. You never know where you're going to go with this. But enjoy, have fun, and explore. Once you click Save, you're going to see this. It says, nice work, save. You can preview it or you can start it over. So if I click Preview, it's going to play it for me. Push record. Start recording your work. You'll notice that it's actually the sky's the limit. You never know where you're going to go with this. Of the work. But enjoy, have fun, and explore. So you can critique your own work, then you can click Finish. Do you like it? Do you want to save it? Do you want to start over? Again, it's up to you. You decide how to finish the project. So if I click Save, alright, so I got it. Now how do I share it? Well, here's the trick. I got to give it a title, so I'm just going to say and you can identify which course you're going to attach it to, so you can send it to a variety of different classes. Science, biology, summary, visible to all. You can unpublish it or you can make it visible to everybody on the internet. Or visible to people at your school, that means different classes, or just your students. It's up to you. Once you've established the privacy setting you want it to be at, you can give it a summary comment and then you click Save. And you'll find that the video is right here. Now if I click on the video, it'll play. But how do I share it? Because this only allows me to play it within Educreations. Here's the trick. On the top right hand corner, click on Welcome and then your name. Now you'll see a list of all the videos that you've made. Click on the video you want to focus on, and if you look down at the bottom right, there's going to be a share link. Highlight that link. I'm just copying it now. And if I wanted to attach it to my Edmodo page, for example, go to my class website, log in, and I can attach the link to the video directly to an Edmodo post. And then I send it. And this is what it looks like. So it doesn't come up as the video, you can't see it in the image, but if you click on the link, it'll take you directly to the video link that you've made. So the students will have easy access to it.